bringing all of the Governor School students here to Innovation Elementary School to work with the younger kids, to get them to enjoy and love STEM as much as we do.
We're doing science activities, especially relating to water, with the elementary schoolers.
We're going to do a cool little experiment where we're going to I'm going to drop a bunch of little water molecules on your thing, right? Whoa, right? You take your pipette, you can start moving the water molecules together, and you can start connecting them to make a giant water molecule. The Gov School at Innovation Park really gets to look into what the field of STEM is, and we get to bring it down to a little bit of a lower level and get them really interested in science and math.
I like the high school kids because they're teaching us about water and water molecules.
They're doing an experiment here behind me. They're putting water droplets on a coin to see how many can fit on the coin, and we're trying to teach them cohesion, that water can stick together.
Interest in science is always good to start early because at this age, students are always curious, they're inquiring about the world around them, kids are always asking questions. And the scientific method, the most basic of science, is to ask questions.
I'm a firm believer in that the way you really understand a subject is to teach it. And so for our students, as much as they understand about the subject, I think they really get a good depth of knowledge when they have to teach it to someone younger who may not understand the same language that they do, the vocabulary. And so they're forced to be able to really to think about the subject and to be able to talk about it to younger students.